Have you ever wondered why losing belly fat seems like an uphill task? Well, you're certainly not alone. Many of us have stared down at our midsections, wondering why this stubborn belly fat just won't budge. It can be frustrating, can't it? But here's the good news: this isn't just about aesthetics, it's about health, and that's something we can all get behind. So let's shift our focus from the mirror to the science, shall we? In this video, we're going to explore the scientific approach to losing that stubborn belly fat. We'll take a deep dive into understanding what belly fat really is, the critical role of diet, the importance of exercise, how sleep and stress management factor in, and last but not least, why consistency is crucial. So fasten your seatbelts because this journey is about to get interesting. Stay tuned to find out how you can tackle belly fat effectively based on science. To begin with, it's crucial to understand what belly fat is and why it's so stubborn. When it comes to belly fat, there are two main types you should be aware of: subcutaneous and visceral fat. Let's start with subcutaneous fat. This is the kind of fat that you can pinch. It's located right under the skin, hence its name, which means under the skin in Latin. Subcutaneous fat plays a crucial role in storing energy and regulating body temperature. However, too much of it, especially around the belly, can be a problem. Next, we have visceral fat. This is the fat that surrounds your organs. It's the hidden fat that you can't see or pinch, but it's there, deep within your belly. It's often referred to as active fat because it can actively increase your risk of serious health problems. Now you might be wondering, why is belly fat so stubborn? Well, the answer lies in its location and the type of fat cells. Belly fat, particularly visceral fat, has a higher amount of fat cells that don't respond as effectively to the fat-burning process as fat cells in other areas of your body. But here's the kicker. Excess belly fat isn't just a cosmetic concern. It's a significant health risk. Research shows that having a high amount of belly fat increases your risk of heart diseases, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancers. And the risks don't stop there. Visceral fat is also linked to higher cholesterol levels, insulin resistance, and inflammation in the body. This is because visceral fat cells produce cytokines, which are proteins that can trigger these health issues. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. The good news is that belly fat is something you can lose, and losing even a small amount can have a big impact on reducing these health risks. Now that we know what we're up against, let's dive into how to lose it. The first step in our belly fat loss journey is reassessing our diet. Isn't it fascinating how the food we eat can either be the safest and most powerful form of medicine or the slowest form of poison? The importance of a balanced diet in weight loss cannot be overstated. Let's dive into the role of lean proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats in our diet. Lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and plant-based proteins are your body's building blocks. They not only help to repair and build tissues, but also play a crucial role in weight loss. How, you may ask? Well, proteins increase feelings of fullness, reduce hunger, and help you eat fewer calories, which aids in weight loss. Next up, we have complex carbs. They are the good carbs, packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Foods like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes are excellent sources. They take longer to digest, keeping you full and satisfied, preventing overeating and thereby aiding weight loss. And then we have healthy fats. Yes, you heard it right, fats can be healthy too. Foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats give you energy, support cell growth, and protect your organs. They can also help you feel full, control your hunger, and even better, reduce belly fat. But remember, moderation is key. Even the healthiest foods can contribute to weight gain if you eat them in large amounts. One more thing, let's debunk this myth right here, right now. There are no magic foods that will zap away your belly fat in an instant. No special fruit, no secret drink, no miracle pill. Weight loss is a process, and it requires a balanced diet combined with regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and good stress management. Remember, there are no magic foods for weight loss, but a balanced diet can make a huge difference. Let's embrace this journey to a healthier you, one meal at a time. Next up is incorporating physical activity into our routine. Now let's talk about the importance of exercise. It's not just about looking good in a pair of jeans or being able to run up a flight of stairs without gasping for breath. Exercise, particularly a combination of cardio and strength training, plays a crucial role in our overall health and, yes, in losing that stubborn belly fat. When we exercise, we're doing more than just burning calories. We're boosting our metabolism, the process by which our bodies convert what we eat and drink into energy. With a higher metabolism, we're able to burn more calories throughout the day, even when we're at rest. And guess what? Those extra calories burned come from stored fat, which includes that pesky belly fat. Cardiovascular or aerobic exercises like running, swimming, or cycling are excellent for burning a lot of calories in a short amount of time. They get your heart rate up and make you sweat, which is a good thing. It means you're pushing your body to use energy, and that energy has to come from somewhere. Hello, fat stores. Strength training, on the other hand, might not burn as many calories during the workout itself, but it has a secret weapon: muscle. You see, muscle is more metabolically active than fat, meaning it burns more calories at rest. So, the more muscle you have, the higher your resting metabolic rate and the more calories you burn throughout the day. It's like having a little calorie-burning factory inside you. The key, though, is consistency. It's not about going all out at the gym for a week and then giving up because it's too hard or you're not seeing immediate results. It's about making exercise a regular part of your routine, something you do because it's good for you and because it makes you feel good. It's about setting realistic goals and celebrating every small victory along the way. Consistency in exercise is key. It's not about how hard you go, but how long you keep going. Believe it or not, sleep and stress play a significant role in your weight loss journey. Now you might be wondering, what does sleep have to do with losing belly fat? Well, let's dive into this. When you're sleep deprived, your body tends to produce more of a hormone called ghrelin, which signals your brain that you're hungry. At the same time, it produces less leptin, the hormone that tells your brain you're full. This imbalance can lead to overeating and consequently weight gain. Not just that, lack of sleep also affects your body's ability to process insulin, the hormone responsible for changing sugar, starches, and other food into energy. When your body's insulin sensitivity decreases, fats, lipids, circulate in your blood and pump out more insulin. Eventually, this excess insulin ends up storing fat in all the wrong places, including, you guessed it, your belly. Now let's talk about stress. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that also promotes fat storage, particularly in your abdominal area. Plus, stress can drive you to emotional eating, which is often not the salad and grilled chicken kind of eating, if you know what I mean. So what can you do about it? Let's start with sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, create a restful environment, and avoid caffeine and electronic devices close to bedtime. As for stress, it's about finding healthy outlets. This could be anything from yoga and meditation to simply reading a book or walking in the park. What matters is that it's something you enjoy and can do regularly. And remember, it's okay to seek professional help if stress becomes overwhelming. In a nutshell, your body needs sleep and a stress-free environment to function optimally. And when your body is functioning well, it's in the best position to burn fat and lose weight. Managing your stress and prioritizing sleep can help tip the scales in your favor. One of the most overlooked aspects of weight loss is consistency. Let's think about it for a moment. We live in a world of instant gratification. We want everything now. But when it comes to weight loss, especially losing belly fat, the process is gradual. It's like a marathon, not a sprint. And in this marathon, your steady pace, your consistency is what brings you to the finish line. Consistency in your diet, for instance, is crucial. It's not about having a perfect meal plan for a day or a week and then going back to old habits. It's about making small, sustainable changes over time and sticking to them. It's about choosing whole, healthy foods more often than not and making it a habit. Then there's exercise. Sure, a single workout can make you feel great, but it's the regular, consistent workouts that truly make a difference. Whether it's cardio, strength training, or a mix of both, consistency here is key. It's not about going all out one day and then skipping the gym for a week. It's about making exercise a non-negotiable part of your routine. Let's not forget about sleep and stress management, two elements often pushed to the sidelines. Consistent quality sleep is essential for weight loss, and managing stress through consistent practices like meditation or yoga plays a vital role too. Remember, our bodies love routine. They thrive on it. When we fuel our bodies consistently with good food, stimulate them with regular exercise, allow them to rest with sufficient sleep, and keep stress levels in check, they respond. And that response is the gradual, healthy weight loss we're aiming for. So if you're serious about losing that belly fat and maintaining a healthier body, embrace consistency. Be patient with yourself and remember that every small step you take consistently brings you closer to your goal. Remember, there are no shortcuts to a healthier body. Consistency is your best friend in this journey. To wrap things up, let's quickly revisit the key points we've covered today. We started with understanding belly fat. Not all fats are created equal, and belly fat, specifically the visceral kind that accumulates around our organs, poses the most health risks. It's not just about aesthetics, but about longevity and quality of life. Then we dove into the role of diet. We debunked the myth that all calories are equal and highlighted the importance of a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. We learned that reducing processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats, while increasing intake of lean protein, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, can significantly help in shedding that stubborn belly fat. Next, we discussed the importance of exercise. It's not just about doing hundreds of crunches or running for hours on end. The key is a combination of both cardio and strength training. It's about finding an activity you enjoy so it becomes less of a chore and more of a lifestyle. We also talked about the often overlooked elements of sleep and stress management. Lack of sleep and high stress levels can trigger your body to store more fat, especially in the belly area, so ensuring you get enough quality sleep and have effective ways to manage stress is integral to your weight loss journey. Lastly, we talked about consistency. Remember, there's no magic pill or overnight solution. Losing belly fat is a journey that requires consistent efforts in maintaining a healthy diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, and stress management. It's important to remember that these are not standalone strategies, but pieces of a larger puzzle. Each component complements and enhances the effects of the others. Armed with these scientifically backed strategies, you're now ready to tackle belly fat head-on. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. Did you know that your body temperature plays a role in calorie burning? Yes, you heard it right. Our body's internal temperature is a crucial factor that influences how efficiently we burn calories. A normal body temperature aids in maintaining a fast and effortless metabolic rate, leading to calorie burning even when you're at rest. So how does this tie into everything we've discussed so far? Let's connect the dots. A balanced diet, specifically one rich in protein, can raise your body's temperature slightly through a process known as dietary thermogenesis. This can boost your metabolism and help you burn more calories. Similarly, regular exercise doesn't just burn calories directly, it also raises your body temperature, which can keep your metabolism elevated for hours even after your workout. Now let's talk about sleep. You might be surprised to know that your body temperature naturally dips during sleep. This helps your body conserve energy for other vital functions. However, poor quality or insufficient sleep can disrupt this natural cycle, leading to lower metabolic rates and less calorie burning. So, how can you naturally regulate your body temperature for optimal calorie burning? Stay hydrated, consume a balanced diet, engage in regular exercise, and ensure you're getting quality sleep. To sum it up, maintaining a normal body temperature can also help you in your weight loss journey. Remember, every little bit counts. We hope this added piece of information aids you in your path to a healthier you. Stay tuned for more such insights, and as always, take care of your health because it's the best investment you can make.